Okay, go. Yes. Congratulations, sister.
Thank you. Maganda.
This is her unit, guys. One bedroom.
Sa main door.
There you go.
Wala ka ng spare nito ha. Lahat ibibigay namin sa kanya. So please, keep na lang po.
Make 100 times duplicate.
Sige ma'am, kasi yung lahat ang susunod. Lahat naman ha. Para lang natin gumagana lahat.
Let's try it.
Ito na yung pool niya, guys. Nandyan pala yung room natin.